See, example 8, we are continuing with the next example. Example 8, show that 1.272727 is equal to 1.27 dash 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 is equal to 1.27 recurring. ऊपर dash होता है उसको recurring बोलते हैं, already I told. Okay, here 2 digits are repeated. So how many digits are having recurring here? 2 digits. 272727 like that it is repeating. Okay, in the previous example we have seen only 0.3333, only 3 was repeated, only 1 digit recurring. Here 2 digit recurring. So okay, to start with the problem, now we have to represent in the P upon Q form. So first step, let us write, let x is equal to 1.272727 dash 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 means 27 is getting repeated. Okay, इसको लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 1.27 recurring. Okay, x is equal to 1.272727 dash 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 dash. Now here count how many decimals are repeated. How many digits are repeated here? 2 digits are repeated. So in the previous class video I sent, I told you we have to multiply LHS and RHS according to the number of digits getting repeated. Here 2 digits are repeated. So 2 means 200 में 2 zeros होते हैं. ओके, वहाँ वन डिजिट रिपीट हो रही है इसीलिए मल्टीप्लाई किए 10 से. यहाँ 2 डिजिट्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं इसीलिए मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 100 से. So this is the first step you will be writing, and multiplying both the sides means LHS and RHS by 100. LHS x multiplied by 100, RHS 1.272727 dot 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 multiplied by 100. This is the second step we will be writing. 100 multiplied by x, 100x. Now I told you, if 2 these zeros are there in 100, so here decimal will be shifted. Okay, 1.272727 dot 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 multiplied by 100. In 100 2 zeros are there, so this decimal will be shifted to right hand side 2 digits. So from here it will be going here, so you will be getting 127 dot 2727 like this. Okay, this you should, if 1 zero हो तो 1 digit right हो जाएगी, 2 zeros हो तो 100 हो तो 2 digit शिफ्ट करने का राइट साइड डेसिमल को. 3 digits 3 zeros मतलब 1000 हो तो 3 digit शिफ्ट करेंगे. This you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so now we have to write this here. 1 point from here the decimal going here. 27. Okay, 100 okay, don't show like this in your notebooks, but 1.27 के पीछे चले जाए. So you will be having here 127.2727 dot 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 here. Okay, next step, this is the third step you will be getting. Okay, step wise याद रखो आपको. Okay, in the next step what we will be doing? Subtracting both the sides. Subtracting both the sides by x. दोनों साइड LHS we have 100x multiplied by x. All are same steps you have to follow. Just you have to sequence wise what you have to do, you have to remember. So this is the third step. Fourth step में 100x minus x. Next 127.2727 dot minus x. This is the fourth step you have to remember. Now 100x, already I told you x means 1x. 100 minus 1, 99x is equal to 127.2727 dash dash dash. Our x, what is our x here? X is equal to 1.2727 here. I am circling here, see. 1.2727 and 27. So we will be writing here 1.2727 dot. Okay, now we have to minus. How can you minus? Already I told you 127.2727 minus, okay, 1.2727 minus, what is here? 1.2727 dash 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 dash. So 0 0 0 0 6 7 minus 6 1 2 1. So 99x is equal to 126 point. ये सब ज़ीरोज़ आ जाएंगे. ये ज़ीरोज़ का कुछ वैल्यू नहीं है, राइट हैंड साइड कट कर दो. ओके, नाउ x is equal to 99x means 99 multiplied by x is equal to 126. X is equal to 126 upon 99. 126 upon 99. Okay, 11, 9 11s are. X is equal to 126 upon 9. 19, 9 11s are. 9 14s are. Okay, 9 11s are, 9 14s are. Okay, so we are getting here 14 upon 11 P upon Q form. So 1.272727 recurring is given, where 2a7 is repeated. It is occurring as a recurring. So we have to represent it in the form of P upon Q form. We have to represent it in the form of P upon Q here. So we have got here x is equal to, okay, what is that x we have taken? 1.2727. It can also be written as 1.27 repeated. So this value we have got as 14 upon 11. So where P is equal to 14 and Q is equal to 11. So P upon Q of form of, okay, 1 point P upon Q form of 1.27 recurring is equal to 14 upon 11.